Hi guys, this is Caleb. I'm the founder of Precision Cut Lawn Service out of Indianapolis and then also the Service Estimator. I'm going to show you a cool feature that is automatically set within the tool. When you go to the Service Estimator website, you can click Login. I would suggest once you get to this page, you can save it up here in your favorites to where you don't have to log into the management side every time or like have to go to our website every time to log into it. But once you log in, you get to the tool. With snow, you guys all know that there's triggers. For us in the Indianapolis area, we offer 0 tolerance, 1-inch triggers, and 2-inch triggers. Within the tool itself, it'll be automatically preloaded with those. But let's say you have something different where you have season contracting or season contract rules. Well, you just literally go to triggers, add in whatever you want, along with any kind of pictures, or really you can do anything you want, and then you click create the trigger. And so once you do that, you'll see that it's live here. But then when I go to estimates and I click a new estimate, I'm gonna just pick myself, and sure, I'll use that random one. You'll notice that like I'm gonna just map something random. It shows you your plowing and everything else, but then it adds it to the triggers at the bottom. And that is it.